Not much is known about the South African attack helicopter, Denel Rooivalk. It's undoubtedly not as commonplace as the enduring Mi-24 or the legendary Apache. The Rooivalk was created especially to be utilized in the arid climate of Africa. And the only operator is South Africa. In any case, here's why it's a really intriguing car. Past events. If we start from the beginning, this helicopter's history began in the late 1970s, when the Republic of South Africa was subjected to sanctions by the UN. The arms embargo had a special effect. Given that the nation was at the time embroiled in multiple conflicts, and really needed more weaponry. Furthermore, South Africa's principal northern foe, the People's Republic of Angola, a socialist nation, was getting assistance from the USSR itself, none other. Prior to the embargo, the South African military primarily depended on regarding the French Puma and Alouette 3 helicopters. However, as Angola began utilizing more sophisticated helicopters, such as the Mi-24, South Africa had to change for survival. Since they were unable to depend on foreign automobiles, the choice was made to create a completely new attack helicopter, able to launch lightning-fast attacks from behind enemy lines. Progress. It was something that the engineers in South Africa had to perform everything by themselves. An assignment was made to Atlas Aircraft Corporation, renowned for their proficiency in manufacturing Italian strike aircraft and licensed French helicopters, as per the established guidelines. The purpose of the new car was to accompany helicopter troop transfers, carry out attack operations against anti-aircraft installations, and use anti-tank missiles to take down ground-based armored targets. Furthermore, the design needed to be very sturdy due to the local climate, since military activities were regularly carried out in the area across vast expanses of the desert. Long-duration operation was a need for the new helicopter, without advanced assistance. In the best-case situation, you may receive additional fuel by a cordial transport chopper, but that's all. Models. Overall, the military in South Africa desired a car that might resemble the American Apache somewhat, which, to put it mildly, was an extremely ambitious concept. Initially, Atlas engineers attempted to construct a new car using a modified Alouette. Nonetheless, they soon discovered that in order to fulfill the demands for armament and fuel, an enlarged airframe was required. Because of this, their second prototype was built around an altered Puma. It was given a new chassis, a redesigned tail layout, and a 20mm autocannon, plus 2 Makila turboshaft engines made by Turbomika. Rooivalk. The car was in the testing stage by the early 1990s. And for the majority of the decade, a number of flight tests. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Don't forget to like and share.